Yes, guys, I got my ThredUp box. This is gonna be scarves. So I'm gonna do an opening and make a video about it, and let's see what I got. This was $16. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be opening a scarf ThredUp box. It was $16 and I think it has like 24 scarves in it, so we are going to see what we get today. I hope this video turns out because there's only one take of this. So here's the box, and it came straight to my door, so you don't have to worry about lockdowns or anything because it came straight to my door. And it's sealed, so we're gonna cut it open and see what we got. Here we go. I'm gonna try to do this. I don't know about you guys, but I am really getting sick of this virus that's locking everything down, and it's really making me depressed. Plus, Arizona isn't going to have a winter this year. It's still hot. It's still like 86 degrees. So, I'm wearing my little tank maxi dress because I'm hot. Okay, here we go. We're going to open it. This is what it looks like. It has this pretty little wrapped tissue paper. First we have this green, looks like it's green scarf. Doesn't look like it's marked anywhere, but it feels like it's silk. So even unmarked scarves will sell good, so I'm not really worried about it. So I think with just this one scarf, we'll get the $16 back. And what's next? And we got this gold scarf. This one's not marked either, but it's pretty, and metallic gold is in this year. What's next? We have this scarf, and it has a tag, 100% polyester, and this looks like a wrap of some sort. Has paisleys. Trying to find a tag. This one's not marked either. That's nice. We got this really warm scarf. And this one's not marked either, but it's sort of like a sweater knit material. Oh, that's cool. We got this really pretty lavender scarf. Doesn't look like this one's marked either. And this one has a little snag in it. Ooh, what's this? a Royal Speyside made in Scotland. Merino wool. This is really pretty. I like this one. So this is the brand. Royal Speyside, Scotland. So I think this will do really well. Pretty happy so far. Ooh, what's this one? This one's a monogrammed one. Ooh, what is this? BV Elgar. A BV Elgar one. I'm gonna have to look that up. Not really sure what that is, but that feels like silk. What else do we got? We got this just basic black. This one feels like linen. So this is nice. I like this. I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna act like it's winter. There we go. What else do we have? This one feels like wool. Just a basic scarf, not marked, not branded. Here's another metallic scarf. It's a neck warmer. Just one of these round things you put around your neck, sort of it makes it look like you're wearing a mock turtleneck. Not branded. This one it has skulls all around it. I hope it's marked. It has a skull in the front. This one smells like perfume. It has a little tag here. This one's silk. Made in India, but it's not branded. Kind of pretty. This one has little tassels on the end. On each corner has tassels. So this is sort of like a bohemian scarf. This one's not branded either, so most of these aren't branded yet. But this one's pretty. Has tassels on it, floral. And this one is great. It has little beads on it. This one it had a tag, but somebody had cut it out. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh, this is pretty for Christmas. This one has the tassels. it sort of has a really cool design on the inside of it. This one is not marked either, but it's really soft. I hope everybody's staying safe during these awful times right now. Everybody's gonna be going into a lockdown soon again. I'm so over this coronavirus. Ooh, this is soft. This feels like cashmere. And this is another one of those roundy, it's a roundy neck warmer, I think. So you can double it. I think that's how you wear it. It's not marked, so, but it feels like cashmere. And that print there. I got a lot. Like, this is a heavy box for $16. Ooh, this one's marked, branded. This is a Victoria's Secret. Victoria's Secret. It has the beading on the end. A very wide scarf. That's cool. Like that one. This one says 100% viscosa, 100% viscosa. It's another not branded one. But this is pretty. There's a lot in here. And this one feels like cashmere. No brand on it. It's just a basic plaid cashmere scarf. Who doesn't like plaid? Or no, that's not plaid, that's herringbone. I hope some of these are marked. This one feels like cashmere as well. This one's plaid. It's basic plaid. No mark, no brand on it. But it's so soft. This one's pretty, has paisleys. Paisleys, this is pretty wide. There is a brand, or no, it's just a tag. 100% acrylic, but no brand. It's pretty. Pretty paisleys all over it. Nice light summer scarf. And turn it around, see if it's branded anywhere. This one is not branded as well. This one has a tag, but it doesn't say the brand. So this is just sort of like an India, pretty India color scarf. No brand, but it does have the tag. This has a little bit of gold metallic shimmer in it. Ooh, this one's neat. Has tassels on the sides. This one isn't branded as well, but this feels like cotton, this one. And this one's a pretty multicolor little floral scarf. This one feels like linen, but I don't know for sure because it doesn't have any tag on it. It's another one, no tag. Oops, ow. A crinkle one, a crinkle light yellow. And that's pretty, I like that one. And the last one, hoping it has a tag. It has a tag, but it's just the fabric tag. And this is just a shawl. Sort of has a flaw on the inside, not marked with the designer. So it really doesn't matter if scarves have the mark on them, you can still sell them, and I'm really happy with this box because I could probably sell most of these for $12 a piece, and even like one is making up my money of $16, so I'm really happy with it. And I think actually I'm gonna be buying more of these if we go into a lockdown, so I can source from home and stay in and be good. But thank you so much for joining me today, and if you like content like this, I'm going to be doing a denim box, a denim rescue box, 50 pounds of denim. My next video, as soon as I get the box, but I'm going to be doing a denim rescue box, what it's called. So hopefully we can get some really good denim, and we could stay safe, source from home, take pictures from home, and try to stay well until we get some kind of cure for this virus going around. It's just so awful. This year has been so awful for me. I mean, mostly depression. I deal with severe depression and anxiety, so I mean, this has just been really awful for me. I deal with depression anyways, but with this virus going on, it's just much more worse. I mean, I'm constantly worried about my family getting this, and I don't know. Tell me what you all think. Leave a comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up, and definitely leave a comment because I really enjoy what you guys have to say and what you guys thought of this box. And until the next one, stay well and keep flying into profits and go out and make some money. Peace.